What is up, guys? We are gonna do a first aid kit video. So we have my old first aid kit right here. Like, you open this like this. You have these things right here. I'll show you this after I show you the new one. What is inside the new first aid kit? Let's find it. Okay. We have all of these. We have these in there. That was in this pocket. Let's see. These are wipes called. Make this into a circle. We have this right here. We have this right here. Like, say we sprain or whatever happens. Like, say I hit my foot off the corner of the wall. Sprain foot, sprain hand. I can just put it right in there. Ooh. I think this is a whistle. And before I put it, so we have, and then we have this kind of cream. We have cream. Oh, upside down. We have this. We have these. We have a whistle. We have the book. I think I already showed you this. Never mind. I don't need to show you that again. We also, if we ever get lost, we have a compass. I'm going. Let's put everything. Oh, we have two of these. I think this is cream. We're going to put them all back into this can go in, this can go in the, when I start myself. And then we have all these kind of things. Okay. So this was this right there. Okay, now we have this side to show you. Okay. I'll show you guys that it's called tape. So this is doctor tape, kind of like a doctor tape. So I think it's for this. But say in football they had it like this, but it was bigger. Like, say these two fingers, like these two got hurt, and like in football. This is a good thing for football. Is this?
You're doing a good job.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay. We have acetaminophen. If you know what that says, comment down below. We have ibuprofen right here. And let me grab this stuff right here. Okay, so we have diphenhydramine. Guys, I can't even read that. That's hard. So we have, I'm going to put them all in a group. Like, this is us. This is hydro. something. And then this is ibuprofen, and this is aspirin. And let me grab everything into this. We have small little band-aids. Ooh, what the? Oh, we have this thing. What is this thing? Hang on, let me open it. We have these, like, it kind of looks like one of this puck. Like, say you have a splinter, you have something to take the splinter out. It's a really good thing to have. This is better than that because all we have in there is Tylenol, which I had to take Tylenol last night because I, like, you know, when you roll into the wrong spot and, like, you accidentally, like, cramp up. It started cramping. I don't like when it cramps. Okay. I'm actually gonna put it all, so we're gonna put that right there. Okay. We're gonna put all of these kind of band-aids by the tape. Something like that. I'm just gonna put that on top of the other band-aid. We have a huge band-aid. We have the surgical sponge. We have this surgical sponge. We have these two. Okay. That's really good. Let's put that beside there. We have this orange. This orange. We have a bunch of orange ones. Okay. We have these orange ones. Let's grab everything that I just had. Let's put everything that I just had back in as it was in order. Okay. That's all of the things that I just showed you. We have aspirin. We have one aspirin. Me and Mom don't normally take our aspirin. Hey, Mom, come here. I need help pronouncing some stuff. What does this say? It's these things.
Those are antiseptic towelettes. That is a triple antibiotic ointment.
And then sting relief.
Sting relief.
That.
I don't know.
Diphenhydramine.
Ibuprofen.
Yeah, I know what that says.
Antihistamine.
I thought it said Destatin at first.
I don't know, it's something, but don't ever take this because we don't know what it is.
Yep. Wait, it says it right. Active estrogen in each capsule per boost. This is the HC 25. Okay, yeah. If you don't know what a pill is, never take that. I did that mistake when I was younger. Okay, can I tell them the story about?
Sure.
Like, it wasn't like this, but I was really, 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 really young, and I saw my mom's Zyprexa on the floor. You probably know where this is heading. I took it, and I actually was sleeping for about, I would say, 3 days straight. We went to the hospital, all that stuff, and we had to go to the hospital because of my bad mistake. We have this. Let's put this back in where it belongs, and this side. I'm putting everything where I'm grabbing everything and putting it back where I found it. Like this red one is gonna go right here because that's like I'm only gonna take ibuprofen and stuff like that if I really have to. Wait for videos in the summer. They're gonna be doper than what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna do skateboarding at the skate park, fishing, swimming, and maybe comment down what you think I should do during the summer. Something new. Like have you heard of Brave and Wildness? It's a YouTuber. This is what I might use, and then I'm gonna have to bring my first aid. I'm gonna have to bring my first aid kit for one reason. Is say because I don't know if I'm allergic to um bees, and I was thinking because like a bee ain't like getting stung by. I never got stung by a bee, so I don't know how it feels. I know it kind of like hurts. It's like like when someone pinches you, but it's harder. So I'm gonna put all this back. This is the new. What's it? Was everything that was in it, but I wanted to show you. So we have my old one that I got like a long time ago. Now I'm actually going to do it so you can see it in my lap. Okay. We have allergy relief. I put that in there. This came with its nose spray. That's another thing. If you get stung, you want to put this on. Always. Like, even sting relief. You know how I have sting relief? Like, that's one thing I would use. Okay, so we have this that I put in there just in emergencies, like if I have an allergy, something like that. And then we have these. Let me grab a bunch of these things. This right here. I know what we all should know what these are. It's gauze. We have this huge Band-Aid. We have, this is what I took. Be careful when you buy this exact kit because I didn't know it was like 2 capsules until I opened it. So these are 2 capsules. I should probably put this in this thing as well. So I just no, I'm gonna keep it in there. It's okay because there's ibuprofen. Me and Mom, I would only take. This is like a take. The only time me and Mom would ever take Tylenol is an emergency. I forgot where I put the ibuprofen, so I had to take it last night, and I knew where Tylenol was. I didn't want to have to sneak upstairs. Well, I can go upstairs anytime. I just didn't want to go upstairs. Okay. That there, Tylenol goes right there. We have this kind of thick. It ain't big, but it's kind of like a little small. Okay, we have gloves. Gloves. Okay, no, I'm having a hard time, so I'm going to put this kind of Band-Aid there. Big Band-Aids go there. Ooh, we have an instant thing like you say. Non-medicated instant cold pack. First you do it, you squeeze it, shake gently and scissor after wrap in soft cloth before applying to skin. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it because I'm only gonna use that like if needed. So that can go like right there. Ooh, this is like my Band-Aids that I like, those cool Band-Aids. I'm gonna put this on. Oh gosh, we forgot to put it back in the other first aid kit. Okay, I need to stop shaking that. That's bad. Like, you're probably like right now, like, Matthew, why are you showing first aid? But all first aid, like, you might have a first aid kit with just Band-Aids and some cream. Some first aid kits are different. Like, this one's really different from this one. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, we're gonna put all like the cool Band-Aids on my school laptop. We have small Band-Aids. We have medium Band-Aids. Okay, like we have small Band-Aids. We have cool Band-Aids. We even have gloves. Oh, we have nurse spoon. This is what you do with this. This is what you do with it. Don't do this unless your nose is like yeah, you can do it, but your nose, like say your nose is dry. This is when you do it. Like my nose is dry right now. Like this. This is a pretty cool one as well. Cream. Like Noseprene is a cream. Norzarine is, this thing is a cream as well. This is like for nose one. Okay, we're gonna put the. I'm asking my mom if we should put the Tylenol in the first aid kit, the other first aid kit. Hey mom, can I put the Tylenol in the other first aid kit? Yeah, I know. Can I put the Tylenol that was in the other in the new one? Okay, that's good. That's probably good. Like I take ibuprofen. Okay, that's good. We're gonna put everything back in the. You probably don't know what's in it. Like if you had a first aid kit like mine. Come tell me which one. Do you have this first aid kit if you have one, or do you have this first aid kit? So this is one. This is two. Do you have the first aid kit, or do you have the second first aid? Just comment down one. Comment down one or two. I think that is a good first aid kit video. How many minutes have I been doing this? Wow. I think I should end it right here. But before I end it, make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. And I will see you on the next one. Peace out.